All right, guys, so I'm in this rental and I come into this room, turn the switch on for this fan, and I'm like, what is that grinding sound? Can you guys hear that? This was last week and I was like, I just don't have time to fix it. So I come back to look at it and I'm kind of coming back thinking I'm gonna have to replace this fan because I don't know if I'm on an island of wrong or a mountain of right, but doesn't it seem like these things only last like a year? Basically anything that has a manufacturer's warranty tend to work just fine until the end of that warranty and then they break. It's no different with ceiling fans. I feel like no one makes a product to last. It's just planned obsolescence and it's just frustrating. But I think I found the culprit. I think that cover at the top has come loose and sunk down and is just making contact with those fan blades. So we'll see what happens. All right, we looked out. I thought there was some screw holes or something. This had rotated off these little arms that kind of stick out the side of the upper housing. And I was just able to push it up on there and then slightly turn it clockwise until it sat on those arms. So this particular model, that seemed to do the trick. It just had vibrated loose, rotated off and dropped down. So that's what was making contact with these arms right here and causing that grinding sound. So I may have dodged a bullet. Hopefully it doesn't come down again, but if it does, I know how to fix it. But kind of weird, most of them have like a screw or a set screw that hold that top cover plate in, but this doesn't, so interesting.